Hi, I'm Karin, and today I'm giving a special old wine box a well-deserved makeover. I've had this box for over 20 years, so long in fact that I can't even remember where it came from. I absolutely love it, but it's definitely in need of a little TLC. So let's see what we can do to bring it back to life. Firstly, I'm painting the entire box with Pureco's carbon silk finish. It's such a smooth and rich color, and once the first coat is dry, I'm going in and I'm doing a second coat to make sure it's fully covered and vibrant. While that dries, I wasn't quite sure what direction to take next, but I've decided to add some decoupage paper to give it a unique look. So to make it easier, I'm removing the hardware first, and then I'm painting the area where the paper will go with a layer of white paint. This will make sure the colors on the decoupage paper really pop. For the paper, I've chosen Decoupage Queen Steampunk Wall design, and I'm just cutting it to size now, making sure it fits perfectly onto the box. With the pieces cut out, it's time to apply the decoupage medium, and I'm brushing on a nice even layer over the surface and carefully laying the paper down. To smooth it out and prevent any wrinkles, I'm using a scrunched up piece of plastic wrap. But it doesn't look like I have any wrinkles this time, yay, so I'll go ahead and apply another layer of the medium over the top to seal it in. I'll repeat this process for the rest of the decoupage paper to complete the design. Now that the decoupage medium is dry, it's time to clean up and neaten the edges with some black paint. Next, I'm adding a little flair to the details by mixing Pentart silver metal pigment powder with the pigment mix. I'm using this to paint the border and the hardware to give it that extra touch of elegance. Once everything's dry, I'm using Pentart's antiquing gel to give the box some character and age, and I'm starting with black, and then I'll be adding a little patina green for a vintage vibe. I'm just brushing it on with a paintbrush and wiping off the excess with a paper towel until I get the desired effect. If any areas need more cleaning up, I'll just use a baby wipe to remove any extra antiquing gel, and I'm also adding the same antique finish to the hardware for a cohesive look. Now that everything is dry and looking beautiful, it's time to reattach the hardware. To finish off, I'm applying a protective top coat to the entire box to seal everything in and keep it looking great for years to come. And there you have it, our wine box has a brand new life. Thank you so much for joining me on this wine box makeover. I hope this project has inspired you to breathe new life into your old treasures too. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new DIY tutorial. And if you're interested in the products I've used, you can find them all at Rustic River Home. Until next time, happy crafting!